The first one you're not going to like is using AI, which is actually very convenient and easy. All right, from Brandon. Good morning, gents. For several years now, I've been trying to figure out what trees I have in my area. I'm able to identify a few, but I want to get better. Recently, Alexis, aka the Black Forager, was talking about how there are AI written books which aren't accurate and potentially dangerous, as well as my own experience of AI responses on Google not being dependable. I also don't want to look foolish when my local tree cutter lets me have a certain species of log and I can't figure out which is which. I love to be able to take this resource around with me on walks in my neighborhood and when I see trees being taken down for my own salvaging. The first one you're not going to like is using AI, which is actually very convenient and easy. The app that I have on my phone that I like to use is called Picture This. You can take a picture of anything that's like vegetation, plants, whatever in your garden, trees, and it'll tell you what it is. And it also gives you like a really nice breakdown of like more information about it. If you have an iPhone though, you take a picture. I'll show the camera here for everybody watching the video. That's a picture of some leaves. And down at the bottom here is like a little like eye in a circle. If you hit that, it'll bring up like, hey, what's this? And it'll say, look up this plant. And you hit that and it tells you, oh, it's a cherry tree. So that's another way you can do it. This is not quite as nice of an interface as like Picture This, but you can do that on your phone as well. It's a really quick way to kind of look at things.
I'll say that I've used Picture This for several years now. And I've actually been really impressed with how accurate it is. And then also like I look at it and go, oh, like you said, Matt, you get to a point where you can look at it and go, oh, that's a magnolia or that's a maple or that's an oak. And it'll spit out like some weird, obscure version of oak. And then I'll cross-reference it with something like Sibley and it's like, holy crap, it was right. The downside to all of those apps is you don't really learn anything. Like the decision tree thing at Arbor Day and like Sibley where you start to say, okay, is that a pinnate leaf or whatever?
I guess so.
Whereas the AI just spits it out. You're like, okay, that's and you don't learn like to question it because you don't know what to ask.
So I think if you use those AI tools as tools, they're just tools. You kind of have to like keep going down the road of like traditional identification and maybe even reading a little more deeply into those specific species as you're looking them up, what the actual leafing structure is, so you can make that really clear in your mind.
And when in doubt, you're a woodworker. Just cut it down, slice that tree open.
That might be even harder based off of the what is this wood questions we get all the time.